Greetings, gentlemen, prepared to dive into the riveting pages of The Intelligent Investor authored by Benjamin Graham, where we unearth the time-tested wisdom that inspired none other than the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Discover how a single book, encountered at the age of 19, significantly pivoted his investment philosophy, leading him to become a disciple of Graham himself at Columbia University. Firstly, let's dissect the crucial distinction between investment and speculation. Graham defines an investment as something offering both the security of your initial capital and a satisfying return, all predicated on rigorous analysis. In contrast, speculation fails to meet these criteria, often resembling a shot in the dark. Addressing the silent thief that is inflation, consider this: if the inflation rate outpaces your returns, your so-called investment erodes your wealth, slicing the purchasing power of your dollar. Take 2007, for instance. A 2.5% inflation rate would nibble at the value of a 2% investment, subtly diminishing your economic clout. Benjamin Graham showers us with pearls of financial wisdom, advocating for investment in market funds that steer clear of the limelight. These entrants skillfully defy market trends, don't overextend client rosters, and grow organically through exceptional service rather than bombastic advertising. Now, allow me to sprinkle my perspective on value investing. This is a quest for assets with intrinsic worth, recognizing that money, in essence, is a concept. Extrapolating this philosophy to the broader spectrum of life, consider how you allocate the most precious commodity: time. Ingrain in your ethos that even amidst a 40-hour workweek and ample rest, a staggering 10,000 hours over 5 years lay at your dispositional altar, waiting to be channeled into perfecting a skill or fostering personal growth. Contemplate the opportunity cost of mundane activities. Could the hours spent in front of a TV better serve you in bodily or intellectual investment, enhancing longevity, health, intellectual acumen, network weaving, or simply nurturing happiness? This is the core of value investing in life. Graham's illustrious margin of safety concept emerges from mathematical vigilance, while his championing of portfolio diversification serves as a safeguard against the perils of a solitary income stream. And a paradox to ponder: the most triumphant companies tend to ride the most volatile market waves. Heed the age-old wisdom: never cluster all aspirations within a solitary vessel. If your curiosity is piqued and you yearn for more enlightenment on savvy investments and financial stewardship, signal with a like, comment below, and explore my insights on cultivating happiness and unwavering optimism. Let your desire for knowledge and growth resonate with a subscription, and should this video bestow upon you substantial value, consider expressing your gratitude with a proportional tip, graciously accepted via the link in the description. Now, without further ado, take a moment to engage in our community. If you haven't yet, subscribe, hit the like button, and ring that notification bell. By joining our circle, may you embark on a path to conquer the objectives or reap the benefits illuminated in our discourse today. Before we part, ask yourself, what actionable wisdom from today's exploration will you integrate into your life's tapestry? Thank you for tuning in, and until we convene again, may your investments flourish and your intellect expand. Ladies and gentlemen, channel your inner business magnate, because today we're setting off on a venture into the core of investment wisdom as we unravel what a true stockholder embodies and how it's much more than just owning a sliver of paper with some numbers printed on it. It's all about thinking and acting like a genuine owner of a flourishing enterprise, like having a stake alongside business giants such as Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. Fasten your seatbelts for a tale of business, stocks, and an investment odyssey that starts now. Picture this: stocks as real slices of a flourishing pizza pie called a business. Now, forget the old-school snooze fest of graphs and tickers. This is the lifeblood of commerce we're talking about. The aha moment came when the legend Warren Buffett himself peeled back the curtain to reveal the wisdom passed down by Ben Graham. Imagine being in on Amazon's or Tesla's success just by owning a chunk of them. Exciting, isn't it? What you need to comprehend is that as part owner, you're navigating the ship, and it's not about owning a fleet you barely understand. It's about a carefully chosen arsenal of ventures you intimately know and trust, striking a balance between unyielding ownership and savvy flexibility. Diving deeper, let's debunk the manic hysteria of Mr. Market, a symbolic, erratic drunkard knocking on your door, muttering about a drop in the value of your shares day after day. The harsh truth is, most panic because they're flying blind without research or understanding of their investment's true worth. Let's pivot. When buying a house, you do your due diligence, don't you? Then, should stocks actual pieces of a live business be any different? Here's a tip bandy about words like home rather than stock play, and you'll start thinking in terms of long-term shelter, not a fleeting gamble. Plot twist alert. While Mr. Market may seem like a drunken fool, sometimes he wears the mask of investment titans like George Soros, sowing seeds of doubt. Can you stand your ground and assert your stance when the world tells you otherwise? Because let's face it, engaging in the stock market is bold, almost audacious. You're literally jousting with intellectual Goliaths every time you buy or sell. So building an ironclad investment thesis is your silver bullet in this financial duel of wits. Now, let's talk margins of safety. Buffett's cerebral bridge that carries thrice the weight it needs to, just to be sure. Your investment strategy should be akin to this: poised for riches in the best scenario, yet unshakable even when the storm hits. Seeking investments that skyrocket in the ideal but have a sound cushion for the worst is the hallmark of seasoned investing. But beware, padding your safety margin too thickly can lead you to invest in mediocre businesses at best, which was never Ben Graham's mantra. Flexibility is your ally in the finicky world of stocks. As we wind down this fact-packed voyage, let's address the elephant in the room: the hefty tome, the intelligent investor. While it's a historical cornerstone in the stock market, clinging to it in today's dynamic environment can be akin to anchoring a ship in stormy seas. Ben Graham's insights, ingenious for his era, might not steer you right in 2023. Join me instead in championing Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street, an evergreen compass for the investing journeyman. If you found value in today's expedition through the financial wilderness, and our roadmap has enriched your entrepreneurial spirit or money-making master plan, consider expressing your gratitude. A tip proportional to the value received awaits via a link in the description, empowering us to craft more content of this caliber. Now, to all the astute gentlemen watching, I pose this final inquiry: which nuggets of investment sagacity will you weave into your financial fabric? Before you leap into action, if you haven't already subscribed, now's the time. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and ring that bell. Your future self, armed with newfound savvy and strategies, will thank you. Remember, in the vast ocean of personal finance, insurance, digital marketing, real estate, and online banking, the wealth of knowledge is your most prized asset. We're living modern life dating with modern markets. Maintain the bulldog mindset, embrace the divine masculine, and become the strongest male hero in your financial narrative. With that, I bid you farewell, until our next intellectual rendezvous in the pursuit of financial wisdom and career insights. Greetings, my savvy friends. Ever find yourself musing how to tap into a wellspring of joy? Today's dispatch might be just the treasure map you need, charting a course to contentment, with an ancient yet timeless formula for happiness. Picture this: a life brimming with purpose, where each dawn gifts you a clear reason for being. The Japanese have distilled this notion into something known as ikigai, a concept that amalgamates passion, profession, vocation, and mission into a singular pursuit. It's a recipe for fulfillment that's been time-tested for centuries, yet remains ever so relevant as we grapple with modern life's complexities. To uncover your own ikigai, join me on a quest through 4 pivotal realms. Firstly, the domain of passion. This is where what you adore and what you excel at collide. It's the spark that ignites when you immerse in activities that whisk you into a state of flow, where time stands still, and joy is the only thing that cascades through your being. Whether it's painting, strumming chords on a guitar, or marveling at a poetic verse, it's that fervor in your belly we aim to stoke. Second on our map is the intersection of what the world hungers for and your passions. This is what morphs a personal delight into a mission. It's about feeling anchored in the knowledge that your zeal isn't just a solo flight, but a force that propels community, enriches lives, and leaves an indelible mark on the tapestry of society. Thirdly, let's talk about what sustains you, the aspect of your craft that rewards you financially. We're wading into real talk territory here. Money matters. While it might not buy happiness outright, it's a key player in a stress-free life, allowing you to luxuriate in comfort rather than flounder in financial anxiety. To touch upon true happiness, the remuneration for your toil must echo the cost of your tranquility. Lastly, the orb of your prowess, where your skills are not just innate, but honed through persistence, patience, and sheer grit. If your calling is, for instance, to inspire others from a stage, it will require you to iron out every quiver in your voice, polish every phrase to perfection, and deliver words that ignite souls. By peeling back these layers, you can gauge your current station in life. Maybe you're bubbling with a passion but your wallet's whisper thin, or you're a master of your craft yet your work's impact is diluted in the vastness of a conglomerate. Perhaps you're toiling in a vocation where the yield is decent, but the embers of growth have long cooled. Whatever your scenario, an assessment could point you towards what's lacking, guiding you to recalibrate your sails towards Ikigai. Now, friends, picture this. A community where every skill you wish to master or discover is just a click away. Where guidance on leaving indelible marks thrives. Currently, you might be pondering avenues to elevate your writing, whittle it until it cleaves straight to the heart, speaks volumes more with less. Learning from maestros can offer your expressions new wings. Torrents of innovation overflow within the realms of digital marketing, real estate strategies, investment wisdom, personal finance mastery, and knowledge on how to wield the law for your protection and growth. Broaden your vistas and see where you could plant your flag in the ever-changing landscape of the online realm. Can you fathom unlocking insights into Bitcoin and blockchain, the arcane underpinnings of digital currency, or navigating the tumultuous seas of trading? If you grasp the threads of lifelong learning, weaving them into the fabric of your existence, a potent transformation is inevitable. Cultivate an online presence, master the art of persuasive communication, harness the magnetism of the divine masculine, adopt smart money tactics that fortify your fortress against the buffeting winds of a recession. Amid the ebbs and flows, remain the unwavering, strong, successful male who navigates through storms with the wisdom that steers true north. Pause and ponder what caliber of digital citadel could your skills construct in the medical, automotive, or software development sectors. Embarking on this journey towards self-improvement, transcending the mundane and chasing excellence, is akin to entering monk mode, a deep dive into the evolutionary stages that meld one into the strongest male hero ever witnessed. And, while you traverse this path, know that lending support to our channel plays a significant role in this collective journey to ascension. If you found resonance in today's foray, remember to subscribe, like, and alert yourself to our future codices of knowledge. As we cap off today's reverie, feel the magnitude of a life transfigured by wisdom insights. Visualize a reality where your painstakingly curated abilities not only fulfill you but also ripple outward, lifting others in their wake. As you mull over the revealed strategies and the transformative potential they harbor, what moves will you enact to steer your voyage toward that ever-elusive Ikigai? I leave you with this wager. If today's expedition through the annals of joy has imparted value, consider a token of your appreciation proportionate to the bounty received. The pathway to this exchange, discreet yet profound, awaits in the description. Forge ahead with purpose, my friends, for in your hands lies the power to sculpt a tomorrow abundant with happiness. Consider this video a catalyst, an ode to the voyage that beckons every man to bravely seek, to persist, and to unfalteringly rise like the dawn.